Security operations is a collaboration between IT security and operations teams that integrates tools, processes, and technology to keep an enterprise secure while reducing risk. Hi, I'm Doug Baer with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, NSX SecOps Foundation. This lab is intended for beginner-level users who are exploring VMware NSX security use cases, but can easily serve as a refresher or reference for more advanced users. In this lab, we explore security concepts and planning with NSX. This includes distributed firewall, security grouping, firewall configuration options, role-based access control, and distributed intrusion detection and protection features. This lab focuses on security feature fundamentals. To dig deeper into these concepts, you can take the NSXT Advanced Security Lab, HOL 222602. This lab can take 2 to 3 hours to complete, but each module is independent, so you can start with a topic that interests you and take the lab again later to look at other areas. Using a simple provisioned but unsecured 3-tier application, this lab explores dynamic security grouping and distributed firewall rules. Also covered are NSX distributed IDPS features, filters, and alert details that are triggered live in the lab by replaying captured traffic that creates critical alerts for analysis. Using a pre-recorded simulation, you'll learn about the NSX URL analysis feature. This feature classifies visited websites into categories and assigns a reputation score based on the observed domains. This score is used to calculate risk levels for each URL, which are aggregated and displayed on a dashboard for review. In Module 4, you'll work with observed network traffic flows and how to leverage them to secure applications using recommendations from NSX Intelligence. Finally, you'll explore the identity-based firewall capability of NSX, which allows you to apply distributed firewall rules based off of Active Directory users and group membership. You can take this lab now by visiting hol.vmware.com and searching for 2226-01. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There is nothing to install, and you can return and take the lab as often as you like. Learn more about NSX security by visiting vmware.com/security/network-security. Also check out pathfinder.vmware.com to find many VMware product experiences in one place, so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you, and enjoy your lab.